Okay, hello guys. So in this video I will show you how to solve this inequality problem. Okay, so as you can see we have x in our denominator. So this is actually a rational inequality. Okay, rational inequality. So to solve rational inequality, it is compulsory for you to use the table of sign or TOS. Okay, it is compulsory. Okay, so how do we solve this? So when we have rational inequalities, the most important things is you cannot cross multiply. I repeat, you cannot cross multiply, meaning you cannot bring this to the other side and bring this to the other side. Okay, you cannot do that. Instead, what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring all this to the left hand side, so we left only 0 on the right hand side. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So become minus 2 over x plus 4 smaller than 0. Okay. Alright, now we have two fractions over here, so we need to equate the denominator. So I'm going to multiply 2 with x plus 1 and 1 with x plus 4. So we have 1 multiply with x plus 4 minus 2 multiply with x plus 1. So now they have the same denominator, which is x plus 1 multiplied with x plus 4. It is smaller than 0. Okay, the next step, I'm going to expand and open the bracket. Okay, so we will have x plus 4 minus 2x minus 2 divided by x plus 1, x plus 4 smaller than 0. Okay, so x minus negative 2x is negative x, and 4 minus 2 is positive 2. So we still have the same denominator, and it's less than 0. Okay, so I always highlight the sign over here so that we can always refer this one to get our final answer. Okay, so now we're gonna have three value of x, which is the first one is from the numerator and the other two x is from the denominator. Okay, so we have negative x plus 2 equal to 0. So we have x equal to x equal to positive 2, and then x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to negative 1, and last one x plus 4 equal to 0, x equal to negative 4. So we have three values of x. So now we're gonna use the table of sign. Okay, so for the table of sign, we're gonna have the interval, the test value, and then the numerator, the denominator, and the whole thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put the interval first. So we start with negative infinity and then until infinity. So we have three value of x. So this one is the smallest, followed by negative 1 and then 2. So we have negative 4, negative 1, 2. Okay, so our interval gonna be negative infinity until negative 4, negative 4 until negative 1, negative 1 until 2, 2 until infinity. So infinity is always open bracket. Same goes as the value for denominator is also gonna be open bracket. So open here, here, and here. And then for the numerator, we're gonna look at the sign over here. So it doesn't have the equal sign. So we're gonna use the open bracket as well. Okay, so next, please insert the test value. Okay, your test value, so we'll choose negative 5 over here, negative 2 here, 0 and 3. So you're gonna get sign plus, 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 negative, 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 plus, plus, negative, plus, plus, plus. So for this one, plus, negative, negative is plus, and then here is negative, here is plus, here is negative. So we have 4 signs over here. So whether we're gonna use positive or negative, we always check your sign over here. Okay, so this is less than 0, so less than 0 is negative. So this is your answer. This interval is your answer. Okay, so you can give your final answer in interval form or solution set form. So if you want to give your answer in interval form, you just have to copy this interval and this interval. So put negative 4 until negative 1, and then 2 until infinity, and then put union in the middle. And if you like to write it in solution set form, it is your x is between negative 4 and negative 1, or your x is going to be greater than 2. Okay, so these are two types of final answer that you can write. Okay, that's it. Thank you.